Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention in Bhubaneswar, Odisha today. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have expressed grief over the loss of life during the stampede at Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. In a remarkable display of determination and cultural pride, a team of young artists from Ladakh set off for New Delhi this morning to participate in the prestigious Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue. Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Shivraj Singh Chauhan met Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in New Delhi and discussed several issues given the upcoming Union Budget. Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has launched a pair of special songs by Akashvani and Doordarshan dedicated to the Mahakumbh in New Delhi.